Hey everyone, it's Feldy, and today we have a new product for you. This is the Microbit Move Mini. It's a kit by Kitronik, and it's a fun way to make a little robot using your Microbit microcontroller. It's really easy to build and it's really easy to program using MakeCode. So we're gonna go through the build today and I'll give you a few hot tips when you're putting this together. The kit includes a tutorial book, a servo light control board, mini buggy parts, 2 360-degree servo motors, and batteries. The microbit and USB cable are not included. You'll also need a small Phillips screwdriver. To build your robot, you're going to follow along with the Move Mini tutorial book. It has a few exercises to help teach you MakeCode and a little bit of JavaScript for microbit. The first step is to connect your microbit to the Kitronik Move servo light board. We're going to do this using the provided screws and plastic separator for the two. One thing to keep in mind is that the microbit comes with a 6.2 millimeter USB connector. Because of the way the boards fit together, it's a little bit tight, and if you connect the boards and then try to plug in the USB connector, it's not going to work. So you can either plug in your USB connector to the microbit and leave it in throughout the build, or you can acquire a 5.5 millimeter USB connector and plug it in and out at your leisure. Now we'll follow along the tutorial booklet to put the chassis together. Finally, we'll program our microbit and pop it into the chassis. Once your robot is completely put together, you can power it on and press your buttons for interactive play. Thanks for watching this assembly guide. We hope it was helpful. If you want to learn more about the Kitronik Move Mini, check out sparkfun.com and let us know what you think in the comments below. Hello, friends. Hello. Gotta get into it. It's been a minute. Inside. Let's do it again. Yep. Let's do for watching us this assembly.